Hi, to set password and apps on your Samsung Galaxy A35, we will need to create secure folder. So let me show you how it looks. I created the secure folder before and I have chosen to enter a PIN code each time, but there was an ability to choose something like a pattern or passcode. So let me just enter my PIN code. And now, when secure folder unlocks, you'll see this list of apps which are locked as well in this folder. So you can protect your notes here, your photos, and so on. And now let me show you how to create it. For that, I'm gonna delete this one. So I'm gonna tap on the three dots. Here, go in settings, scroll a bit, select more settings, and choose to uninstall. Let's tap the button uninstall, and yep, now it's gone, and let's create new one. For that, we need to open phone settings, and we can simply use the search bar to manually find secure folder. So let's just enter secure folder, and yep, here it is. Now we are gonna tap it, and as you can see, we need to set it up first. So tap continue. After that, you'll see this list of permissions, tap continue as well, and now it is creating our folder, so we are just waiting a couple of seconds. Great, the folder is created and we will need to select log type. So we got three options, PIN code, password, and pattern, and additionally we can enable fingerprints here. So for now, let's choose pattern. I'm gonna just draw this and tap continue. Now we need to confirm it, so let's tap confirm and wait a few more seconds. And now we can also enable to allow lock reset with Samsung account. So if you forget how to unlock this folder, you'll be able to reset your log type, log protection using your Samsung account. So let's tap allow, and after that just tap next. So here, as I already showed you before, you'll see this list of default apps which you'll find in your secure folder. You can add even more if you tap on the plus, and here just select any app you want to lock with the help of secure folder. For example, let's choose YouTube, and also let's select something else as Gmail. Now we can see them as selected apps. If you just misclicked, you can tap minus and remove this app from selected. And after that, just tap add to save those changes. And yep, now those apps appears in this display. So let's simply use this arrow to go back and select secure folder one more time. Now, if you would like to see this folder in your app screen, then you need to enable this switcher near the Add Secure Folder to Apps screen. So just tap on this toggle like that, so it will light up blue like in my case. You can also choose to make pattern visible. If you just choose pattern like I did, you can go in Auto Lock Secure Folder and here choose when secure folder will be locked. Each time you leave an app, when screen turns off, after 5, 10, 30 minutes, or when phone restarts. So I suggest you to select one of these three options, the first, second, and third, because this is the best protection. So let's select this first one, for example. And now you can go in apps, and here you can add even more apps to your secure folder. Go in notifications and you can choose whether you want to hide content or not in this folder. You can go in app notifications and select apps which are allowed to send you notifications. You can go in more settings and here uninstall this folder, and just let's check this folder right now. So I'm gonna enable my app drawer by swiping up, and yep, here it is. So we just need to tap it, and as you can see, it requires our pattern. So let's draw it, and yep, now we see all of our locked apps right here. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye!